the kind of stuff that I got offered, maybe something or the other was always lacking. Because she needs to be a strong woman doesn't mean she abuses, slaps around, walks a certain way, smokes. There's just some very superficial ways of writing a strong woman.
I had puchkas.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
That's important.
So
You
yeah,
should have.
not on the shoot, but of course.
How
I had
excited
tasted
she's
the
getting.
puchka.
Did you have puchkas?
Yeah, I love.
वो पानी आ जाता है ना
I love Bengali sweets. So right from cham cham to rasgulla
Oh.
to
अरे
Nolan
बाप रे
Gur
बाप, okay.
to Mishti Doi.
हमारे शो में तो है नहीं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट इज अ मसाला फॉर मीडिया
Yes.
या मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट इज मसाला फॉर
It's
मीडिया
manufactured most of the
Yes.
time.
other
Yeah.
am I being too blunt? There is no competition per se. You have to justify your character, your role, what's been given to you. उसको नीचा करना है, उसको बड़ा करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
There were times then when people used to look down upon South.
Yeah.
Regional films.
You're right. Did you guys know that he's worked very briefly in Bollywood? You did,
No.
right?
No.
Oh, you did?
Absolutely, in my early days.
Only, yes. Hello everyone, welcome to News 18. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with Khaki, the Bengal chapter. Akanksha, Jeet and Chitrangada, welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
Very
All
well.
well, how are you?
Excited.
Yes, I can imagine. I watched, okay, I did not finish it. I watched 4 episodes.
Nice.
I'm really looking forward to see what happens next. To start with, I think for the two of you, this is your streaming debut.
Yes.
Yes?
That's right.
What took so long?
You start.
Because I know you said in an interview that you were receiving offers.
I did.
Yeah.
Yes, I did. But I think, you just kind of wait. And I've been saying that I'm very scared of the long format. I've just been
Why?
very cautious, not scared, cautious of it because I think you need such good writing for the long format to actually work. And for every character, it's not that just that, acha, ye hero, heroine, they are going to carry the film and nobody else matters. It is such a collective sort of, production in the sense, like everybody has to be good in it for it to work. So I guess the kind of stuff that I got offered, maybe something or the other was always lacking. But it's been, I've had quite a few offers and I'm very grateful for them. But it's just this one just felt right, in every which way, right from the platform to the makers to the showrunner, Neeraj. I myself had messaged him that I wanted to work with him. The
Wow,
whole star
okay.
cast and everything. Yeah, about a month and a half after that, I got a message from him saying that I'm not directing, but I'm show running and I've written it. And, I'm like, yeah, okay.
But that's
want
very
to be.
refreshing to hear that,
Yeah.
you still do message
I do,
filmmakers that,
absolutely.
if there's something for me, please let me know.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I think as an actor, you would always, want to, and especially the ones that you want to work with, that I definitely would reach out to them. Yes.
Yes. Jida, what about you?
I thought it was destiny.
Yeah?
That's what I've been saying everywhere.
He has
yeah.
the shortest answer.
Yeah, it was Destiny's call. But then after, if you start analyzing, then definitely it was Neeraj Pandey and Bengal chapter coming on Netflix, all put together.
But you didn't receive any other offers to do a web series before
No, I
this?
had web series, movies, everything. Like I've received offer. There's been a journey, and there's a body of work which I've done in Bangla. So that has somewhere traveled to some people. Okay, some of them have reached in the past, but yeah, it didn't happen. It had to happen this way.
And it happened.
Yeah, it
Beautifully.
Yeah, and I'm thankful about it. I'm thankful to God, thankful to the entire team.
Right. The genre that this series belongs to, of course, if you think about it, it's a man's world, right? But, you have these two characters, very powerful characters. Your character is so opinionated and, she's so powerful, same for you. Do you think, such roles for women today, are these tough to come by?
It is kind of tough to come by, yes. Probably if you were to talk about the writing of the character. How layered she is. She's not all wrong, all right.
Right.
And not trying too hard to be right and not trying too hard to make a point about something. Sometimes they're very superficially written, just because she needs to be a strong woman doesn't mean she abuses, slaps around, walks a certain way, smokes. There's just some very superficial ways of writing a strong woman sometimes.
These are tropes, yeah.
Yeah, that's what happens, and it does happen often. You do see them here and there. But I think what's special about the characters, the women characters in this, is they're very, very well written, very layered. They have a reason for who they are. Emotionally, it's so logical and it's so correct and real, So I suppose when you talk about this kind of writing to come by, definitely it doesn't come that often.
That
for
often.
sure.
Yeah. Akanksha, what about you?
I also think that, times are changing. There are people who are writing such characters. At the same time, I feel that, yes, of course, the writing has to be there, but I feel somebody has to think of you. In that way also, it's kind of tough. As an actor, I'm personally talking about me. It's tough to get such opportunities, So there are thousands of people who are, maybe doing better or maybe are good at their craft. But to tap on that, thing that, somebody think about you as a character. Like if I talk about Oratrika, they have shown the faith. They thought that I could play this character.
Yeah.
That way also it has to work. In terms of writing, as she said, that, people are writing it. But if you talk about this particular show, it's amazingly written. It has a depth, emotional arc, everything. She's fierce, she's strong. There is an emotional side to it, so it's a mix of all, and thanks to the writers of Khaki.
Yeah, right. But when we talk about Kolkata, the one thing that comes to our mind is, of course, the food, and we'll have to talk about it. You didn't spend so much time in Kolkata for the shoot this time around, but there was your first film. It was Bob Biswas, of course.
Yeah.
Did he give you all the places to this checklist and all? These are the places you should go to.
No.
Why?
No.
We never interacted about this. We never had a chat on
never
this.
chat on food. It's surprising now. You're saying
and
that.
Calcutta, we had very little work together. Or what? How many
No,
days?
mostly we shot in
Calcutta we shot. But we never interacted about this.
food.
Oh.
We interacted about other
Many things, but
and-
not about food, yeah.
Yeah, that's surprising, but yeah.
But so what was happening on set? You would have nice Bengali spreads for lunch and all. वो सब होता था?
जहाँ बंगाल प्रोडक्शन होले बंगाल प्रोडक्शन का ही खाना होगा ना
Yeah. I mean,
वहीं के लोकल प्रोडक्शन में फूड वाले कैटरिंग जो थे वही लोग कर रहे थे
Hmm.
and but we had a great time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And if you want to talk about Bengal food, then you can definitely talk. You can say
Why?
Bengal
Yeah,
food is
I have-
Bengal food, Bengal people, Bengal culture, music, art. There's so many things. People, person sitting in left and right of you. Okay, so everything of Bengal is good. Yeah.
so, as he said, but I had puchkas.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
That's important.
So,
You should have.
not on the shoot, but of course.
How
I have
excited
tasted
she's
lots of
getting.
puchkas.
Did you have puchkas?
Yeah, I love.
वो पानी आ जाता है ना.
I'm from North. So
Yeah.
they say Golgappe.
Yeah, and our Golgappas
Pani
are also
puri.
very nice, no?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So I had puchkas. I had those soda shikanji which you have in Kolkata. They give in the kullad matti.
Kullad mein,
matti ka,
haan.
haan. So that I have eaten. Rasgulla, Sandesh. So
Yeah.
all those things I had.
Nolangur.
Yeah.
That's
Mishti
nice.
doi.
That's nice to hear.
That's what I was saying. I mostly like sweets. I love Bengali sweets.
हाँ.
I'm not a foodie. I don't eat
You have a
khana
sweet tooth?
wana.
I don't have a
Not really, but I don't know this Bengali.
You love sweets?
I love Bengali sweets. So right from cham cham to rasgulla
Oh.
to
अरे बाप रे,
Nolangur
okay.
to Mishti doi. I mean, I've Mother Dairy is all that we got, yeah.
Yeah,
Mother Dairy
yeah.
ka Mishti doi is all that I've eaten, But when I tasted that, growing up, that's all we got in the north.
Yeah.
But that kullad mein that. So I've actually taken back Nolangur. I take back from whenever I travel Calcutta.
It's
I take
only
it back
available
for friends.
around the winters.
हाँ.
Winters,
What's the name
yeah.
of that shop which is the oldest now?
Mancharam.
No. Huh? What?
Mancharam.
No, which is what?
Molaram Mullik.
Huh?
Molaram Mullik.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
The one at the airport also, na? Uska ek वहाँ पे छोटा सा है. Yes.
Right. हम तो promote करते रह रहे हैं.
Yeah, I am
Like
not
thinking
thinking.
of sweets.
Pictures आ रहे sweets
But
के मेरे दिमाग में.
that's my favorite. Yeah.
Okay.
That's my guilty pleasure.
Great. But I know
you
we're...
eat sweets.
When I do,
It doesn't look like, no?
No.
shades.
But
Ah.
I'm not a foodie otherwise. It's not like I'll have everything. Like khana wana is okay, but that is
Okay. Fair enough. Okay. But I know we're talking about food, but then thoda sa moving on to the violence that is there in the show.
from food to
Thoda
violence.
sa.
The ends,
Thoda sa.
ends
Yes.
of the spectrum.
Yes.
No, so Chitrangada, like you said, ki, when we are thinking of a template of the genre I'm talking about, there are some tropes, hai na? Ki, the woman has to perhaps, she has to smoke, she has to abuse and all of that. But I'm just saying that here the violence factor, the violence scenes are also there. But I was just talking to your director कि हम लोग उतना दिखा, you don't show it that much. It's implied. Even if you're killing somebody, like it's implied. We know that there is a murder
Suggested,
happening there,
yeah.
but the frame is on top. आपका जो introduction scene है, that also starts off with a rather violent scene. तो you know, in shows like this, in terms of what the audience can also watch, आप लोगों को personally क्या लगता है कि you know how much violence is too much violence in terms of you know the portrayal in a show?
I
जो
think it should
पब्लिक को
be.
हजम नहीं होता है वो टू मैच है,
हाँ.
जो हजम कर लेती है वो परफेक्ट है.
वो perfect है.
Yeah, I mean, ये तो audience बता
But it
पाएगी.
also has to be real. You know, if it's done just to titillate the audience,
Yeah.
oh wow, look at us showing you blood and this and that. I think that intent will दिख जाता है. What is required by the story should be shown. I think we are living. I mean, you have a choice to not watch it, but then you can't shy away from
Yeah.
it only just because. You know, that's my personal
I
opinion.
also feel there's nothing like too much violence. Like we have shows like Walking Dead, you know, there's
Yeah.
one with
This show
gruesome,
doesn't
like
have
a
too much.
Yeah,
yeah,
it
for sure.
No,
doesn't.
it doesn't.
Yeah.
This
Doesn't
doesn't have.
Yeah.
This has a
Which is-
very very underlined violence, like ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There's so much more in the show, so much more. There's a political thriller. Yeah. So
No, in this there isn't.
There
Which is
isn't. That's what
generally
it's implied. That's
yes,
what I'm
which is
saying.
so nice actually.
Yeah.
It's the director's vision of how he wants to show it as
the
well.
makers, yeah.
Very true. Of course, we get to see you doing a lot of action in the show. And, you know, for our audiences here in Bombay who do not know, he's a massive action star in West Bengal, doing these, you know, fabulous commercial films. It's always nice to see you, you know, beating up the bad guys on the big screen. You know, a lot of people think that, however, this is something that is easy to do. It's not, right? You know, to be this larger than life hero, to beat up the bad guys.
That's how people look up to you. I don't feel that. No actor feels that. Yeah, it is just that the technicians around you, the camera guy, the action guy, the directors, they project you like that. That makes you look big and everything. Beside that,
Is it easy though, doing commercial films?
you're as a craft person, we approach to live that character. Okay, and then everything surrounding that, it is additional things. I don't know how it comes. I've never tried to analyze that. Okay, it is people's love that creates that image aura. And if anything, there is like really strong, which is overpowering looking, dominating on screen, huge on screen. That is to do with the technicians again.
Yeah.
How they project you.
Yeah.
No,
When
but
you are-
I want to ask you this, like, since you're a commercial hero, how different is it? Like, do you change anything in your acting when you say you're doing an OTT kind of project like Khaki, which is so real, as compared to that? Is there a reduce the flamboyance meter a little bit? Do you do something like that? Huh?
No, you have to leave it to your directors. No,
No, but
if
like,
you have
do
to
you-
understand. You have to understand what is the pitch of the film, pitch of the content, and that's
Yeah,
that
yeah,
that
there
that
is a
sense.
change.
Yeah, that
There
sense
is a
you've also
change.
done it. So that is
Yeah.
the sense which directors
a
or the
change.
makers they give you. You also, when you read this lines, then also you get one sense. But sometimes अगर कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि अरे आपकी समझ में थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो गया, then directors clears that vision of yours. उसके बाद आप करते रहो.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah,
There is a difference, though.
When we started, we never thought that a star, superstar, hero, action. No, you just wanted to be a part of good stories where good characters will be written. You can play those good characters. Okay, it's positive, negative, irrespective of anything. Yeah, you're just part of that story. लोग क्या याद रखते हैं? लोग कहानियां याद रखते हैं और किरदार याद रखते हैं. तो हाँ. तो
That's
हम-
correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'll have to, you know, give it to the makers also for pulling a casting crew like this, you know. What a joy is it to see all of you on screen and, you know, all these, you know, monumental Bengali actors together, be it you, Boombada, you know, Shashwatoda, Porom, even though he has a, you know, I'll not give it out. But yeah, whatever. I'm just saying that, you know, one would assume that, you know, actors, you know, multi-starers is something that is talked about a lot. While we love seeing it, a lot of actors have also come on record saying that we might not be okay with doing it because of whatever insecurities and stuff like that, competition being there. It's not there, right?
No, not at all.
It's not there in the show.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
it's actually most of the time, हमारे शो में तो है नहीं, most of the time it is a masala for media.
Yes.
Yeah, most of the time it is masala for
It's
media.
manufactured most of the
Yes.
time.
Other
Yeah.
am I being too blunt?
No, I was smiling. No. She's just saying we manufacture it, which is true. It gets manufactured. Yeah.
So otherwise, Bumada has worked in our production also. Yeah, she reminded a little while back.
Yeah, it's so lovely that he produced a film that he acted in, which is, Prosenjit sir. I'm
Yes,
talking
yes.
about
Yeah,
him.
yeah.
Which is so amazing. So the camaraderie is all there. It's just sometimes gets, written about.
There is no competition per se. You have to justify your character, your role, what's been given to you. उसको नीचा करना है, उसको बड़ा करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. और आपकी सक्सेस तो आपकी सक्सेस ना, किसी और की फेलियर तो आपकी सक्सेस हो नहीं सकती.
And there's space for everybody to grow, right? Yeah. And it's good to see this sense of brotherhood, for sure.
Thank you.
Chitrangada,
That's to do. In my case, it's a lot to do with my upbringing.
100%.
I live in a joint family, so yeah.
That's nice. Really nice.
Very rare to see.
Very rare
these
to
days.
see.
Yeah.
But it is important also, I think,
Yeah.
because you have to just stay
I
in
think
your
people are
lane.
lucky who can. I really feel have large
I feel
families.
blessed. I feel blessed.
It is such a blessing. Yeah, I
Yeah.
do think
Yeah.
so.
But like you were saying, sometimes it's external factors also drilling this in your head, right? That all of you perhaps cannot flourish together. You'll have to be in this rat race where you'll have to constantly, double cross each other and
The
just go
media, we point the finger at
not
the
the
media.
media always. There
Well,
are
I
people
just feel
also.
like no. So the pressure also builds because the media writes certain headlines get written, and then they prop up somebody against somebody. So there is a certain competition, a sense of competition that gets built, and that sells and that
But if it is healthy, it is
works. It is probably good. That's what I was just coming to, which has a good and a bad as well, because it makes you work harder, definitely, and look at improving yourself, however which way that you can. So definitely, it keeps you on the go. You're on the ball. Like you can't just be like, "Haan, mere paas to kaam hai, aata rahega." It's not like that, So that whole attitude changes, which is good. So there's you're also alive all the time and looking at things differently, which is
Yeah.
a good thing also.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to add something?
I can only talk about Khaki as a
Yeah,
team. Like
yeah.
we never felt that we are just coming and doing our work and going back. Everybody was so welcoming with a thought that if I have to say something to him, I don't feel hesitate.
Sure,
I can
sure.
tell him freely, or maybe the director was very welcoming of thoughts like we had. So there was no ego, no air, nothing. We were coming as a clean slate, and we used to sit together as team and we used to perform. So yeah, I would like to say that everybody on set, like it was a family. It was like a family, and still we feel the same
Yeah,
thing.
It's a reunion now.
Reunion, yeah.
Yeah, like a family gathering. We don't have much time. I'll take two questions. So I think last year or last to last year, you had a Bengali film which released. It was a pan-Indian release, basically. Cengiz, was it?
Cengiz.
Yes, I remember. I'd spoken to you at that point
Yeah,
of time.
Cengiz.
Today, when so much conversation is happening about pan-Indian releases, but what we are seeing is it's mostly the films that are made in South, that's getting releases in so many languages. How do you see what's the future for, let's say, Bengali cinema? Do you think with a show like Khaki, because it gives audiences a chance to see so many Bengali actors together, do you think it can really prop up Bengali films out there?
It's been quite some time. World is in the process of blurring all those borders and bringing in all the talents together. And thanks to internet and OTT.
Yeah,
True.
that's correct. So everything is at par now.
Yeah. Like the way Khaki team is a family, that way every talent around the world, they will become a family soon. It's in that process.
Yeah.
I mean, we're watching films with subtitles
Yeah.
all the time. So it really has gone beyond languages now.
Right.
And I feel there were
And
times like
thanks to internet and OTT.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
there were times when, even you were talking about South, because I come from South. There were times then when people used to look down upon South.
Yeah.
Regional films.
You're right.
Let me name it like regional films. Okay, this is Tamil, Telugu. Nobody knew about it. So to have that kind of opportunity where you have one film which changed the whole history. So it was an opportunity for South Indian film industry to blur those lines. Now everybody wants to work in South,
That's
it's the same
correct.
thing. As far as the Bangla industry is concerned, the lines are blurring, and I'm hoping that with Khaki,
Yeah.
it's already there. Now there's no regional kind of. We are making films for India.
Yeah.
So
that's correct.
So I don't think so. We
The
should
content made for global audience.
global
also.
Global audience,
yeah.
in fact.
So
You're right.
like she said that we are watching films with subtitle. You watch Malayalam films; they're beautiful.
Yeah.
So I don't think so that art has you can bound art
Bound
in
art,
any
that's correct.
form. So yeah,
It's free flowing.
Free flowing,
Did you guys know that he's worked very briefly in Bollywood? You did,
No.
right?
no.
Oh, you did?
Absolutely, in my early days.
Early, yes.
Oh,
Yeah, I've done music videos with T-Series, Z Music.
Oh,
This
really?
I knew
Okay.
yesterday. Like I got.
I've done a
to know.
movie also.
You did a movie, yes. Can
Oh
you tell
really?
us which film?
Yeah. Let's talk about Khaki.
Okay.
Khaki,
Last one.
Khaki, yeah.
Last one. Chitrangada, it's 20 years for you this year, by the way, as an
Yes,
actor. So
yes.
congratulations
Thank
on
you.
2
Wow,
decades.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How do you look back,
Congratulations.
Chitrangada? And all these things in the initial, I remember in the not very initial, but there were tags to you, like, she's a seductress, I remember, dusky beauty, these things. They tend to box you
I
up,
think
right?
the-
What has changed?
I'll tell you what. So now that you're giving me these lines, I remember this one time my brother told me.
Huh.
So somewhere it was written that right in the beginning. Okay, so they said that a thinking man's sex symbol was the line on the thing. So my brother was like, "I don't think you have much future in India with a line like that. Where will you find the thinking man?" I mean, it was funny. And it's like that time your films just come out and all you're like, oh wow, this has been written. So yeah, I suppose in some way I'm not saying he was correct or anything,
Yeah.
but yeah, you do tend to get boxed into getting very similar roles and things like that. But I'm extremely thankful. I have absolutely no, this happened to me by complete accident. I never wanted to be an actor. I happened to get selected for the film and got this career, took 7 years break, had my son, came back, and I
In this 20 years, you took a 7-year break in between?
Yeah.
Yes.
So you worked for 13 years, say?
Yeah, I would say
okay.
effectively, yes.
Okay.
But so I'm so thankful exactly because the amount of work that I've done, as little as it is, people didn't forget, my work, and I'm so thankful. Like even today, they remember my first film. So there's too many things to be thankful for, and all I can say is I wish I had been a little bit more ambitious. Would have really helped in doing more work.
It's never too late.
It's
Yeah,
never
it's
too
never
late.
late.
Yeah, but I really don't think I would have changed anything going back. When I think back, it's just been so amazing, and I'm so thankful for all the love. Really.
How lovely.
And work is a part of life.
And see, we were just talking about that.
one beautiful thing which I noticed about every one of us, each one of us, I feel that there is one thing common. We are very grateful.
Yeah.
That's great. Yeah,
And
very
it is very
grateful.
important,
Very
to be
important.
grateful.
Yeah.
To go ahead.
Absolutely, yeah.
Like when you talk to anyone in this room or maybe the other room, you feel there's one common thing, that there is a hunger as an actor. Also, they are very grateful and for the project and of course where we are today.
Grateful
and
to
we
life.
are grateful to life. And we are hoping, everybody is hoping that after Khaki, a lot more things
Yeah,
gonna
will
come
happen,
our
of
way.
course. You're
Hopefully.
hopeful and grateful.
Yes.
These
That's
two
the
words,
mantra.
I think.
Absolutely.
That's the mantra.
On that note, thank you so much to all
Thank
of you. I
you,
cannot
thank you.
wait to finish the rest of the episode.
Thank
and
you.
we
And if
hope
you like
more-
it, please spread the word.
100%. It is very interesting. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.